हेलो, हेलो एवरीवन. हेलो, हेलो प्रीति जी. I'm just sharing this link in WhatsApp group so all the members can join. I'm too good. Hello. Yes, I'll tell you. Hello Rita ji. Hello everyone. Welcome to Art and Craft Villa. I'm Kiran Raje. मीठी बहुत अच्छी है, नानी के है. आई एम गुड रीता जी. गुड आफ्टरनून. जब भी लाइव आती हूँ कोई ना कोई जरूर पूछता है मीठी के लिए. बिल्कुल ठीक हूँ, अभी बिल्कुल ठीक हूँ. मच बेटर. हेलो रीना. यस, सो टुडे वी आर हियर टू डू क्विलिंग एक्टिविटी. ओके, so I hope you are having this quilling strips. If you don't have, then if you have these colorful paper, you can make quilling strip. I'll tell you how to make quilling strip. So let me adjust my camera towards my workplace, then I'll teach you each and everything. Okay, first let me switch my camera, then I'll tell you. Hi Vinita ji. I hope this is visible clearly. I am good, Purvi. Yes. So if you have quilling strip, you can use quilling strip. But if you don't have quilling strip and you have these papers, colored paper, you can make quilling strip. Okay. I'll tell you how to make. Okay, first adjust all the papers. Thank you, Supriya. Okay, I have 3 sheets here. So what size of quilling strip we have to make? We have to make 5 mm. Okay, we have to make 5 mm size. Yes, recording will be available on YouTube channel. I'll post this recording on YouTube channel. So 5 mm this should be. So both the side I will mark 5 mm, means 0.5 centimeter, 0.5, 1.5, then 2, 2.5, then 3, 3.5, then 4, 4.5, then 5, 5.5, then 6, 6.5, then 7, like this. Okay. Same. I will mark this side 0.5. Okay. quilling strip size will be, we will not waste our time. Quickly we will do. Okay, 0.5. So first I will mark both the side of the paper. 3.5, then 4, 4.5, then 5, 5.5, then 6, 6.5, like this. Okay, so both the side 0.5, 0.5, 5 mm. Okay, whenever you are cutting these strip, first you have to adjust these paper. Okay, like this, should be in equal. And you have to use this metal scale. Don't use plastic scale. You have to use metal scale. I am good, Kajal ji. I have quilling strip also, but I'll tell you how to make this, because many of you don't have that quilling strip. So you can make like this, 0.5, 0.5. Use metal scale, big scale, and this knife, paper knife. Okay. Little bit press and cut it nicely like this. You have to give little bit pressure. This one is left, so I will do it again. Because cutting should be fine. Okay, there should not be zigzag. Cutting should be fine. कुछ नहीं हुआ, वैक्सीन लगवाया था और कुछ नहीं हुआ. Now I am much better. Like this. And we have to remove. Then you will get quilling strip. It should be fine in cutting. You should not make it zigzag, okay? So it should be fine in cutting. So take care. Give little bit pressure on your knife. Like this. And then make quilling strip. You can see like this. Okay, so you can make quilling strip. It depends what do you want to make. I'll give you few, I'll show you few examples and you can make more. I am cutting in front of you. I have more. So different color, whatever you like, you can use that. Like this. Just after that, this close this knife because it's very sharp, so carefully you have to cut this. Then you can use any cutter, whatever you have. So any color you can cut like this. Pink, red, green, yellow, blue, brown. Okay. Black, white. I have more strips. Colored sheet, these are colored thin paper. And you can see these are quilling strips. So you can use these also. If you have these, you can use these also. I'll show you more examples. I'm using here this protector because we have different size. If you have that quilling tool set, then you have that palette of different size of round. Okay. If you have any old keychain or like this keyring, you can use. So we require this one also. If you have this, you can use this. So you can make keychain. If you don't have this, you have this type of hooks, then you can make earrings, or you can use with old earring hooks also. So you can use these type of hooks also for earring. Okay. This is the quilling needle. If you have this, then use this. Then you will get perfect. It's Mother's Day activity. If you don't have, then you can use toothpick to roll this. Okay. These strips. So, do you have any query about this? Just a minute, wait. You will get to know what we are going to make. Okay, so don't worry about that. And more things I'll make and I'll post. Few I'll show you. Okay, so you know how to cut these strips. If you are using this quilling needle, wait, let me zoom it. Then you will get it. Just watch first, okay? If you are using this quilling needle, how to use this? This needle have two parts. So inside this you have to put this strip and roll it like this. Like this you have to roll. Okay? Then you will able to roll it nicely and quickly. And it will be perfect roll you will get with this needle. Like this. Okay. First I am showing you this roll. So you will get perfect roll like this. And if you have Fevistick, you can use Fevistick. Otherwise you can use any glue. But glue you have to use very less. Otherwise it will be dirty. So at the end I am going to press it like this. Okay, you can make this type of roll. Step by step I'll tell you what. Ma'am, can you show? Yes, I'll show it again. Now I'm taking this toothpick and look at this strip. We have cutted this green toothpick. And I'll make it roll. On toothpick you have to put like this and then you have to roll it like this. So it will get little bit difficult than that needle. Needle will be very easy, but if you don't have needle, then you can use this toothpick as well. Okay, तो आप toothpick भी use कर सकते हो. थोड़ा सा रोल बनने के बाद में टूथपिक को निकालकर आप इस तरह बना सकते हो. You can roll it with hand, with finger. Okay, but in starting you can use. If you want to add more strip in this, if you want to make big roll, no need to do this. I'm just showing you a few examples. Don't do this, okay? If you want to add more strip and you want to make big roll, then what you can do, just put on the strip and don't paste this strip on this roll, okay? Just add one more strip here. but don't paste this strip in this roll. Okay, strips को आपको बड़ा करना है, रोल के साथ नहीं करना. Now you can roll it and like this. Don't make this. It's okay if you don't have protector. It's okay. Dear, you need glue. Without glue, how you will paste? Yes. So like this. If you need to add this one, we have done with one strip. This I have used 2 strips like this. Okay. Now I will add one more strip. Just watch me right now. Afterward you can complete this. ये मैंने ऐड कर दिया है एक और स्ट्रिप को, और ग्लू आपका इस रोल पे नहीं लगना है. ओके, अदरवाइज रोल से चिपक जाएगा ये. नाउ प्रेस. Adding strip, do you want to learn? Okay. One more I am adding in this. This is the roll and this is the strips. Yes? So, come. I am putting here some glue. Okay. Then this strip I am adding here. Okay. Don't put glue on this roll. इस रोल के ऊपर स्ट्रिप पेस्ट नहीं होनी चाहिए. ओके, देन यू कैन स्टार्ट रोलिंग इट लाइक दिस. ओके, नाउ व्हाट टू डू? Just watch right now. Just watch. I'll tell you each and everything. Okay, I'm not going to paste it this end point. And look, if I need this size, first you have to decide that what size you require, what project you are making and what size you require. Like this, if I need this size, then I will put this strip in this roll in this. Sorry, just a minute. This is the roll. Then first you have to decide that what size you want. Then it will make loose. It will become loose now. अब ये लूज हो गया है थोड़ा सा. Okay, like this you can make. Okay, now we are going to start our project. Okay, ये तो मैंने आपको एग्जांपल्स बताया था कि अगर आप कुछ और बनाते हो, स्ट्रिप ऐड कैसे करनी होती है, आपको बड़ा रोल कैसे बनाना है, छोटा रोल कैसे बनाना है, टूथपिक से कैसे बनाना है, ये मैंने आपको कुछ एग्जांपल्स दिए हैं. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू मेक फ्लावर पैटर्न बनाने वाले हैं. ओके, सो डिफरेंट कलर यू कैन यूज. इफ यू वांट टू यूज सिंगल कलर फ्लावर, यू कैन यूज सिंगल कलर. इफ यू वांट टू मेक डिफरेंट शेड्स फ्लावर, यू कैन मेक दैट. ओके, आई एम पुटिंग दिस निडल inside. In between this needle we have 2 parts. Look, we have 2 parts of this needle. So in between this I will put this paper corner, strip corner, and then I'll roll it like this. Now roll. Not many. I'm just showing you few examples. So afterward if you want to make more. Okay, अभी मैंने इतना बना के निकाल लिया है. I want to add more. If you want to use multicolor, then you can use multicolor strip. I will show you few examples of multicolor also. So don't worry. Okay, first watch. Give me some time. First watch. Then I'll show you few more examples. Okay. Yes, you can start now. You can start now. Yes, today only we will complete. We will make one flower. We are not going to make big painting, so it will not take much time. Okay, like this. Then again I need to add more strip. Don't use too much glue, okay? Use very less glue. So I will make multicolor flower. Because many of you don't have that same color strip. So I will make multicolor flower. Yes, you can start with the actual things. If you want to wait, you can wait. Yes, I'll tell you that is surprise. I have something new for you. So tomorrow I'll come live and I'll show you that, not this quilling thing, but something different. So fourth strip I added this fourth strip. Okay, I have added and I am making big roll. Sanjana, you have to wait for some time. Okay. Now I need it little bit big, so I will put it in this protector. And I got the size, what size actually I need. Okay. Actually I have to put it on different surface, so I will place it there, but it's okay. This time we have done. Next I will place, and now I paste it here. Okay, अभी आपने देख लिया. We have used this one. Yes, we got the size, and at end point I have joined like this. Sanjana, you have to wait. Okay, this is the roll. So now what you have to do, one side you have to put like this. This side I have pasted this roll, this strip. So this side I will take it, look nicely, and one side I will press like this, and it will be drop shape. One side I'll press like this. Now can you see the change of shape? It's okay, you can watch this live and afterward you can complete this. Okay, don't worry, this session will be here only. So you can see this drop shape. Now again I am taking this. Okay, and I am making here. Okay, I will use toothpick. This is the toothpick, and roll it. If I will not use that round, you can use any round thing. If you have thin wire, you can use that one also, because we need round, that's why. Okay, only in toothpick you will get a hole little bit big in center. So first make small roll, then you can take out this toothpick, and same thing you can do, you can make this roll with hand. Video did not stop. वीडियो तो प्ले हो रहा है. Like this I am making. Okay, now you see one strip I have done. I will put some glue part here. use very less glue, okay, very less. Then one more strip I'll add here like this. Glue should not paste on this roll, okay, so carefully you have to paste the strip on the strip only. Now, oops, sorry, it's open. Again I have to make, because it's open. Suddenly I made this loose, hand loose, and I am making again. Okay, I'll share this video and I'll show you more examples. What else you can make. You can make earrings, keychains. Sure, I'll share this video on live session video on YouTube channel, my YouTube channel Art and Craft Villa. You will get there. Now at the end of the strip again I will paste glue and I'll add more strip. Your hand should be clean, okay? थोड़ा सा प्रैक्टिस करना पड़ेगा, हो जाएगा सोनल, हो जाएगा, थोड़ा सा प्रैक्टिस करना पड़ेगा. That's why I've shown you before. थोड़ा छोटा वाला बनाया, फिर हमने उससे थोड़ा बड़ा बनाया, फिर हम उससे बड़ा बना रहे हैं, इसीलिए आपको ये दिखाया है मैंने. So don't worry about that. It's not that much difficult. Everyone can do this. But don't use much glue, use less glue, okay, very less glue. This is the fourth strip I am adding. Hi Nita. And you can see this perfect roll. It's not loose. Don't make it loose, okay? Otherwise it will open. Now what to do? I have to place it on some प्रोटेक्टर मैं इस पे रखती हूँ. Then what size we use? This one. So I put it here like this. I think we use this one. Yes. So I put it here. अगर आपको लगता है थोड़ा सा लूज करने का तो आप थोड़ा सा इसको लूज कर सकते हो, ओके? आपको अगर थोड़ा सा लूज करने का लगता है सेंटर से लूज कर सकते हो. नाउ I will take out this like this and this last point I will paste here. इसीलिए मैं एक बना के नहीं रुक रही हूँ, आपको बता रही हूँ, ठीक है? लास्ट पॉइंट प्रेस कर लिया. Now what to do? This is the round and you have to press like this and it will be drop shape. It will be drop shape like this. Yes. Now you can see two. Again we will start यस, ग्लू स्टिक यूज करिए, ट्राई टू यूज ग्लू स्टिक। मेरे पास नहीं फिनिश हो गया तो मैं ये ग्लू यूज कर रही हूँ, अदरवाइज यू जस्ट ट्राई टू यूज ग्लू स्टिक। ओके, ग्लू स्टिक से अच्छे से पेस्ट हो जाएगा। 4 strip I used in 1 petal drop shape. 4 strips I used in 1 drop shape. Okay, this is the round. Again I'm making now pink color I'm using. And I'm adding. Yes, same size, same size. Okay, we are making same size because so many beginners are here. You all are beginners, so you won't be able to make different size. That's why first we are making one size, same size. Okay, with 4 strip. वीडियो नहीं आ रहा है, अब तो वीडियो विजिबल है। अभी वीडियो नहीं दिख रहा है। Yes, I will show that green one. I'm adding. इसमें क्यों नहीं दिख रहा? 4 I'm using. Is this visible? Okay, Reva. Okay. Okay. Thank you संध्या जी। अभी कल हमारा फिर से लाइव है, दैट इज सरप्राइज कि हम क्या करने वाले हैं। कोई मटेरियल अगर आपके पास नहीं होता, इट्स ओके। कल का लाइव आप सिर्फ देखेंगे, रिकॉर्डिंग विल बी अवेलेबल, सो यू कैन डू दैट वर्क आफ्टरवर्ड। सो डोंट वरी, बट ज्वाइन लाइव सेशन टुमारो 4 PM. ओके, okay, thank you. This is the 4th one. Sure, I'll make that. Right now I'm using single shade. Yes. Okay, now again I'm putting this in protector. तो प्रोटेक्टर में रखने से आपके पास सेम साइज के रोल्स बन जाएंगे। प्रोटेक्टर में रखने से आपके पास सेम साइज के रोल बन जाएंगे। ये मेरे को इस वाले में रखना था। लाइक दिस। ओके, अब ये सेम साइज का हो गया है। मैं इसको प्रोटेक्टर से बाहर निकाल लेती हूँ एंड आई विल पेस्ट इट। This is not recorded. Yes, I will record this and I will share this live session. Okay. अभी देखो, जब राउंड बन जाएगा तो अब आपको देना है कि कौन सा शेप देना है। आप इसको अलग अलग शेप भी दे सकते हो, दोनों साइड से शार्प भी दे सकते हो, आईज वाला शेप दे सकते हो। अभी हम ड्रॉप शेप ही दे रहे हैं। सो लाइक दिस, फ्रॉम वन साइड वी हैव टू प्रेस लाइक दिस। Okay, only drop shape we are doing this. Like this. I'm not going to tell you difficult one. So don't worry about that. Any stationery shop, craft shop, you can go in any stationery shop or craft shop. If you don't have anything, you want to make it with, you want to start it with fingers, you can start with fingers as well. How? But it should be in round shape like this. You can start. Okay. Like this you can start. Okay, with fingers only. I did not use toothpick or quilling tool. जयपुर में गुप्ता स्टोर के पीछे चले जाओ, वहां पर मार्केट है तो वहां मिल जाएगा आपको. कोई भी क्राफ्ट शॉप पे मिल जाएगा. ओके, मल्टी कलर का भी मैं आपको बताऊंगी कि कैसे बनाना है, क्या बनाना है. रिकॉर्डिंग विल बी अवेलेबल. अभी तो लाइव चल रहा है ना, दिस इज लाइव. सो रिकॉर्डिंग विल बी अवेलेबल. वी विल पोस्ट दिस रिकॉर्डिंग ऑन यूट्यूब चैनल एज वेल. It's going to be only 2 more leaf we will make then. Okay, now I'm going to do it little bit fast. Okay, Prisha. Oh wow, from Jodhpur. And Sandhya ji is from Jaipur. Very nice. Me too, from Jaipur. Jaipur is also closed. That's why I told you how to make this strip with colored paper if you have colored paper. Otherwise you can use that white and black also. Black and white you can make. I will make it little bit small. Okay. Okay, Sandhya ji is from Bangalore. Okay, one more petal I'll make. What is the size of mm? 5 mm strips. These are 5 mm strips. Okay, 5 mm के strips हैं ये. Very nice, Soumya ji. Okay, now I will use little bit bright shade. I don't have that much this red one, so I will cut as well. Okay, I will cut 1 or 2, 3 more strips. because I don't have and I want to use red. That's why. How to cut I'll show you again. So those who have missed, they can do this. I need more red color because I want to use red shade. Bright shade I want to use. 5 mm. Okay. I am marking here 5 mm. Tomorrow is surprise workshop, so join that at 4 p.m. You have to wait for that actually. Yes. Now paper cutter and metal scale. And then I'll show you mandala art, some designs. We are going to start that course. I will zoom out. Oh, I forgot where did I keep that metal scale because we need only that one. Just a minute, wait for a minute, okay? And I'll show you few more things. Okay, if you don't have that scale, some of you are saying that I don't have cutter also and scale also. So what you can do, you can mark it and then you can cut it, but it need very finishing, too much finishing. Like this you can mark and you can cut it with scissors. If you don't have that cutter, you were saying that you don't have this cutter. So you can cut it. But carefully you have to cut it in line. Those who don't have, otherwise use that cutter only. Some of you were saying, ma'am, we don't have cutter. So you can use scissors like this. Like this you can cut. Okay, but it should be equal like this. Today only we are going to complete this, so don't worry. But these strips should be equal like this. Okay, now I will start with red. I want bright shade. So red I have enough. Now yes, I have shown you in starting. In first I have shown you knife, how to cut with paper cutter, with knife, paper knife. Not that vegetable knife, kitchen knife, you can't use that. That will not sharp, na? That's why. I have made this roll. Little bit glue, but we will not paste this glue on this roll. It should be only on strip. Okay, the stripe you have to use like this, and again roll. हाँ, A4 size paper you can take, Rekha ji. Yeah, okay, you are saying this. Okay, I am making 5. I am making 5 drop shape. And one round I'll make, but it will be little bit big, so I'll tell you how. Actually, I want to add that bright shade. That's why I waited for this. If you are using A4 size, then you can use 5 stripes. Yes, I'll show that. Wait. पूरा बंद कर दो, वापस उठाओ, क्लोज कर दो. And one more petal one more strip I'll use. Your hand should not be dirty, otherwise it will become dirty. बंद कर दो. हाँ, फेसबुक बंद कर दो. वापस फेसबुक, एक वापस न्यू टैब कर दो. ओके, व्हाट डिड आई डू? अभी मैं बताती हूँ. इसको लास्ट पॉइंट वी डिड नॉट पेस्ट. वी केप्ट लाइक दिस. हमने यहाँ रखा है. So we are getting that same size. Okay, now I am going to paste it. Now we have the same size of drop shape. I pasted it here. Now this is the point. So how to make it drop shape? Like this. Okay, so 5 drop shape we have this 5, and this one more we need. What? One round we need, but I'll tell you how to make that. Like I have this back side, you can use pencil as well or pen, और उसके बैक साइड पे मैंने ये रोल बनाना है. Pen or pencil, you can use pen or pencil again. So accordingly you have to do. Protector नहीं है तो accordingly कर लो आप. Only one strip I am using here, and I have made here roll. Now thicken out with this, and this last point I will paste there like this. Okay, so this type of roll we require. Now what to do? I'll put it on this only. Was visible, nicely visible on this. all the 5 drop shape I will use like this. So both the side I have to place glue. Okay, ग्लू बहुत कम आपको पेस्ट करना है. ग्लू ज्यादा नहीं यूज करना है, बहुत कम यूज करना है आपको ग्लू. I will show you more examples, not only this flower, but I'll show you more examples. So don't go, wait here and watch till end. We have done this. So इसको थोड़ा सा पेस्ट होने देते हैं. Then I have this roll. तो जिस साइड में मेरे को स्ट्रिप चिपकाया है, that pointed part, very less glue you have to use, very less. Okay, like this you have to paste it. Now we have this ring, this one. So it's little bit wet, अभी थोड़ा सा wet है. You have to wait it for dry. Place it and I will press it like this. Okay. अभी wait करो थोड़ा सा. If you have any bead or button, you can paste in center like this. Any button or bead. And you can use this keyring like this. Okay, just a minute. So you have to make this one roll and make it empty, so you can put like this. Same like this you can make earrings. Okay, if you want to make earrings, you can make earrings. Just a minute, wait, I'll show you example. If you are using multicolor, then you can make this type of butterfly. आप ये butterfly भी बना सकते हो. You can make this type of butterfly. इसमें भी आप यहाँ पर एक रोल लगाकर, ये वाला रोल लगाकर you can place this. And one more thing I am showing you. Now you can see this one also we can place here and as a keyring. If you have beads, you can place these beads. आप इस तरह के जो मोती होते हैं वो भी आप यूज कर सकते हो इनके सेंटर में या कहीं पर भी. ओके, एंड इफ यू हैव these eyes, so you can place it. These are little bit big, that's why I did not place here. Otherwise you can make anything and you can place like this. Eyes we have, if you have this type of eye, but these are little bit big eyes, that's why I did not paste these eyes. And one more idea, if you want to make eyes itself, then you can see I have used here black sheet, black strip, so you can use black strip in center while making roll, so it will become eyes shape. Okay, now I want to tell you something. Yes, no, I'm not going to make right now. I will post these all the pictures in WhatsApp group. तो मैं WhatsApp group पर पोस्ट कर दूंगी पिक्चर्स. ओके, आई वांटेड टू टेल यू वन थिंग. अभी हमारी क्लासेस स्टार्ट हो रही है. सो टुमारो विल बी द सरप्राइज क्लास. आपका जो सरप्राइज वर्कशॉप है at 4 PM, दैट विल बी ऑल्सो फ्री वर्कशॉप. And one more, Pichwai painting, three painting set we will make. Okay, this Kamdhenu one. Okay, I'll show you this. Then in Pichwai painting, Srinath ji, we are going to make this Srinath ji face, and one more Kamdhenu. So both sides these Kamdhenu will be, and in center we will place this Srinath ji. So if you want to enroll in this, you can enroll in this workshop. तो ये अभी हमारा 15 से स्टार्ट हो रही है वर्कशॉप, और बहुत ही नॉमिनल चार्जेस में है. तीनों पेंटिंग करवाएंगे उसके अंदर, बहुत ही नॉमिनल चार्जेस में. तो आप 14 विल बी द लास्ट रजिस्ट्रेशन डेट. आप 14 को रजिस्ट्रेशन करा सकते हो. And if you want to enroll in mandala art course, you can enroll in that. Okay, there you will learn different types of mandala art, theme based mandala art, background color, colored mandala art, 3D mandala art, dot mandala art, and many more. So it will be complete course of 1 month course. उसमें आपको सारा होगा. छोटे डॉट मंडला आर्ट भी होंगे and बड़े pieces होंगे. Canvas mandala art will be there, and these all are there. Theme based mandala art, you must have seen these all are included in there. You can see this theme based mandala art. Yes, so many more we will teach there. So if you want to enroll in this mandala art workshop, will start from 17th, and registration last date will be 16. तो जिसको भी मंडला आर्ट का एंड पिछवाई पेंटिंग में की क्लासेस में रजिस्ट्रेशन करवाने हैं, आप करवा सकते हो. पूरा 1 मंथ का कोर्स है, एंड ऑल द मंडला आर्ट्स, 3D मंडला आर्ट्स, 9 चक्र, एवरीथिंग इज इंक्लूडेड इन देयर. और पिछवाई पेंटिंग इज ऑल्सो इन नॉमिनल चार्जेस, और 3 पेंटिंग सेट है. पूरा ड्राइंग के साथ करवाएंगे. कोई आपको PDF वगैरह प्रोवाइड नहीं होगा कि प्रिंट आउट निकाला सिर्फ कलरिंग सिखा रहे हैं, ऐसा नहीं है. पूरा ड्राइंग के साथ होगा. You can WhatsApp on 9252507001. बना नंबर लिख कर पोस्ट करो. Yes, just Megha Goel shared my number, so you can see this. आप मुझे WhatsApp कर सकते हो. ये कोर्सेज अभी स्टार्ट हो रहे हैं. 15 से स्टार्ट हो रही है क्लासेस पिछवाई की, एंड 17 से स्टार्ट हो रही है मंडला आर्ट की. सो दोज हुएवर वांट टू ज्वाइन, मंडला आर्ट का पूरा कोर्स है, एंड पिछवाई पेंटिंग की 3 पेंटिंग सेट है, बिल्कुल नॉमिनल फीस के अंदर है. वैसे मंडला आर्ट की कोर्स 1 मंथ का कोर्स है, क्योंकि इसमें बहुत ज्यादा है. कैनवास मंडला भी है, डॉट मंडला की बड़ी पेंटिंग है. बना एक वो एक के पीछे ब्लैक कलर को वो नहीं, एक के बीच में, हाँ एक के पास ही ब्लैक पेंट करे हो. हाँ, we will do dot mandala art on this, even this one, this much big. तो हम इस पे भी MDF बोर्ड पे करेंगे. कोस्टर्स we will make coaster, and canvas board also we will make. तो वो 3000 का होता है कोर्स, बट राइट नाउ वी आर गिविंग 30% डिस्काउंट. तो आप 30% डिस्काउंट में, बिकॉज ऑफ कोविड यू आर नॉट गोइंग आउट, एंड मटेरियल ऑल्सो इजीली अवेलेबल. अगर आपके पास पेन और पेपर भी है तो आप वर्क स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं. मंडला आर्ट का ये है कि अगर आपके पास पेन, जेल पेन, ब्लैक जेल पेन और पेपर भी है तो आप मंडला आर्ट का स्टार्ट कर सकते हो. तो आप मंडला आर्ट के कोर्स के लिए 30% डिस्काउंट है. तो 2100 है मंडला आर्ट का कोर्स है. 1 मंथ का कोर्स चलेगा. ओके, एंड लाइव सेशन रहेगा. यस, दिस इज अर्शी मेघा. अर्शी ऑलरेडी इनरोल्ड. अर्शी ने ऑलरेडी इनरोल कर लिया है, और वो अभी आपको फीस भी बता रही है. बहुत ही नॉमिनल, बिकॉज ऑफ दिस कोविड हम बहुत ही नॉमिनल चार्जेस के अंदर, फीस के अंदर लेके हैं. पिछवाई का ओनली 999, और तीनों पेंटिंग है, ड्राइंग सहित है. ड्राइंग, यू विल लर्न ड्राइंग, हाउ टू मेक दैट श्रीनाथ जी फेस, फीचर्स, हाउ टू गिव शेडिंग, एंड दैट ऑल you will learn in that. So join WhatsApp group, there you will get all the details. Okay, so again I'm telling my contact number, and 9252507001. this is my WhatsApp number, so please WhatsApp only, don't call on this number. Okay, do you want to see this keychain? This, you can see this. and this butterfly. It's looking so beautiful. And this is also keychain, so you can make this. And tomorrow again I'll come live. आप व्हाट्सएप कर दीजिए, व्हाट्सएप ओके. व्हाट्सएप नंबर इज अवेलेबल ऑन फेसबुक पेज, ऑन आर्ट एंड क्राफ्ट विला पेज. वहां पर भी आपको व्हाट्सएप नंबर मिल जाएगा. तो व्हाट्सएप कर लीजिए. आपको डिटेल के लिए जितना जल्दी रजिस्ट्रेशन करवाओगे, मटेरियल आपके लिए इजीली आप सोच पाओगे, अरेंज कर पाओगे. अगर घर में भी रखा है तो उसे कलेक्ट करना है, ग्रुप ज्वाइन करना है, वो सब आप टाइम से कर लोगे. तो टाइम से एनरोल करो तो ज्यादा बेटर है आप लोगों के लिए. मंडला आर्ट की क्लासेस स्टार्ट हो जाएगी 17 से. ओके एवरीवन, बाय बाय, सी यू टुमारो एट सेम टाइम 4 PM. समथिंग स्पेशल फॉर यू ऑल गाइज. ओके, बाय बाय.